Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python from zero. First, you'll want to understand why Python is so popular, from web development to data science. Next, set up your coding environment, perhaps using an integrated development environment like VS Code. Then, dive into the absolute basics: variables, basic operations, and different data types such as strings and integers. This foundational knowledge is crucial for everything that follows. Once you have the basics down, focus on control flow. Learn how to use if statements for decisions and for or while loops for repetition. Next, master functions. They are essential for organizing your code and making it reusable. Finally, explore Python's powerful built-in data structures, like lists for ordered collections and dictionaries for key-value pairs. Consistent practice is key here. Now, let's move to more practical applications. Learn how to read from and write to files, and understand how to handle common errors gracefully using try-except blocks. Next, grasp the fundamentals of object-oriented programming, which is vital for larger projects. Start building small, tangible projects like a simple calculator or a text-based game to solidify your understanding. To truly excel, engage with the Python community online. Forums and groups offer invaluable support. Then, explore specialized libraries like NumPy for data or Flask for web development, depending on your interests. Remember, continuous learning and building projects are crucial for growth. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers to make your meal prep easier, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.